Hey everybody, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. Get a little closer on this. Um, I'm going to talk about basic equipment knowledge and everything here, and just kind of understanding. Um, when you buy something at Lowe's or Home Depot or Sam's Club or whatever big box store, most likely you were sold it based off of the PSI. Gallons per minute was probably, if anything, was kind of like a little minor little sidebar thing on that. Once you've been doing this for a while, and if you stay on any of the boards and everything, you're going to see that PSI really is nowhere near as important as the overall flow in gallons per minute. Um, Again, that's not to say that you can't go out and make some decent money with a starter machine at Lowe's or Home Depot, but also don't be crying that, oh no, my machine it sucks. Yes, congratulations, you figured that out. I hate most of the pressure washers that I started out with. Um, and if I'd understood and known more early on, I would have upgraded faster and sooner to 5.5 gallon machines. Um, One of the big things, I mean, certainly is the fact of whether or not your machine is going to have a bypass loop, um, the kind of injector, unloader, all that stuff. There was a post tonight, and it kind of caused me to make this video. Unfortunately, this guy's getting lots and lots of bad information. He's definitely new. Just checked out his page, and I probably was him 4 or 5 years ago. Um, so the good news is for most people, if you're not really sure what you're doing, keep at it, keep learning, keep watching videos, listening to posts, watching, reading, and everything. Um, and you're going to learn a whole lot and kind of change how you run your business and how you wash and everything. Hopefully, while watching this will help you out some. Um, so, a couple of things. This guy had a Simpson pressure washer. My guess is it's probably a 3,200 or 3,500 psi, 2.5 gallon a minute machine. And he said he got it at Tractor Supply. I'm not going to name names, but you know who you are. The problem with those, I mean, the allure of it is that it's an attractive price point, but really for not a whole lot more. I mean, you pay an extra 200, $500, and you can get a pretty legit, you know, machine that's going to make you, a good $10,000 to $20,000 easy, and then that'll give you some margin to be able to step up to better and brighter units and everything there. Um, this guy was told that by this local mechanic shop that the built-in unloader could be repaired, which of course lots of people were disagreeing and arguing about it, whatnot. Um, it's a yes and no answer. No, it's not worth it. Yes, it is possible, but you could also end up spending a lot of time trying to save a little bit of money by doing a repair on it, and quite frankly, it's going to cost way more money than it's worth. Um, Guy was also advised that his downstream injector was running bleach through the machine. No, a downstream injector cannot run bleach through your machine. An upstream injector, or if you're running a soft wash system, or 12 volt or air system, those are actually running chemicals through your pump system. Um, those ones are taking it from a chemical tank, running it through the pump, and then spraying it out in the house. Versus you take fresh water, goes into the machine, it gets pressurized and whatnot, goes through into your high pressure hose, and you've got your injector wherever on that line. Creates a Venturi effect, pulls the soap, and gets that into your line and then onto the house. Um, Also, the guy apparently went to local mechanic shop to get the unit replaced, and this is kind of one of those things. I mean, if somebody's a small engine repair shop, you're probably actually going to be better off dropping it off with them and sticking around and kind of watching how they do the repair so you can learn stuff. But also understand that most of these small engine repair shops, notice the word engine. They work a lot on the engine. They don't know as much about pressure washer pumps. Um, so it just something just to keep in mind there. He was told that there was the spot that basically used to help take the shaft off the receiver part of the pump. um, was supposed to have a plug in that area. No, it doesn't. It's designed to allow pass-through, so you can also stick an Allen wrench in there to be able to unlock it, or not unlock it, but loosen it so you can take them apart. Um, Sorry, again, contacts are getting dried out. Trying to think anything else there. Oh, as far as direct drives, I mean, yeah, the ideal situation is to go to belt or gear because it's going to be lower RPM. That is going to last longer. It's not running. Going to be such a risk of overheating. Um, but you can make plenty of money with a direct drive machine. I had probably 7 or 8 smaller direct drive machines. They didn't last quite as long, and then I got a skid 5.5 gallon a minute Vanguard machine that I've got a little over 1,000 hours on that, and easily another thousand hours. Sorry, on a Honda direct drive 5.5 gallon a minute machine. I've gone through actually 2 pumps on it over the years, and that's part of that's improper maintenance. I just didn't take care of the first pump that well. So again, just make sure that you're come to these groups, and also understand that not everybody in the groups and boards knows what they're talking about. Some guys have been doing it for 6 months and think they've become experts. And I've been doing it for a long time, but at the same time, I know I'm not an expert yet either. I got stuff to learn. We all do. So, anyways, guys, I hope that helps. Again, if you got questions, it's Clean Power Wash, Rob Anderson. Find me on Facebook. You can message me on YouTube or go to the website and find my phone number. I'm not going to put that out on here. All right. Have a great night. Thanks.